Must try a साड़ी के साथ sunglass. Look at the jewelry, man.
अंदर चलेगा ढोल ताशे क्या
When I was 12,
या
I had this sort of crisis of faith of sorts. मुझे पूजा पाठ इसलिए नहीं करनी थी क्योंकि माँ पापा करते हैं. We are here, guys, at the other viewpoint.
खुजली करवा ले मेरे पैंट से
Take two.
बिल्कुल ही नहीं
Now they are not allowed to. Yeah, I can do the train chai coffee.
चाय काफे फर्स्ट टाइम हम जेन्युइन गेट क्रश कर रहे हैं बातचीत नहीं हुई अंदर किसी से
What's up, macha?
लुकिंग वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस
Pranal, Javeless ka. I swear to God, it's such a Mumbai story. My first day, I fell in a pothole.
अच्छी गाड़ी चलाते हो भाई
Thank you.
कहाँ सीखे क्या बात है तो क्या है आपका फाइनल वर्डिक्ट क्या आप मुंबई मूव करना चाहेंगे
मैं मुंबई
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ నమస్కారం అండి బాగున్నారా
उगादी शुभाकांक्षलु
మీకందరికి
गुड़ी पाड़वा के हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं
वाह वाह, वाह, वाह,
रमजान मुबारक हो
रमजान मुबारक हमारे भारत में ही ऐसा हो सकता है कि इतने शुभ अवसर एक साथ आए हैं
हाँ.
समथिंग इज हैपनिंग
हाँ.
అవును కదా
और धुरंधर 2 का भी रिलीज भी है
ओहो रणवीर सिंह इज आल्सो कमिंग डाउन हाय गाइस गुड मॉर्निंग ऑन अ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन वेलकम टू द बॉम्बे जर्नी अगेन मेरे भाई
उगादी शुभाकांक्षलु गुड़ी पाड़वा के शुभकामनाएं अगेन
रमजान मुबारक फिर से
मुबारक अगेन
धुरंधर 2 मुबारक
फ्रेंड आदित्य's धुरंधर 2 रिलीज मुबारक
अगेन
अगेन
भाई देखो एक थोड़ी कॉम्पैक्ट सी ले आया आपके लिए सुंदर सी गाड़ी
Dude, I like it because I've actually, I've sat in so many British cars, just never in a Mini Cooper.
What are you saying?
हाँ.
If you ever want to switch and take over, I'm happy to.
We
But,
will halfway through.
ये
Because
देखो
you'll have, again, then you'll have to tell me, अच्छा यहाँ मुड़ो, यहाँ
हाँ.
मुड़ो. So it's,
भाई what if I pitch Mumbai movement to you? कि मतलब आप इतना आते ही रहते हो I'm sure.
हाँ, I mean, I think this is going to be a new Bombay journey where you are the one
Yeah.
telling me about
Mumbai.
Yeah. Can I share like one small feeling I had when I first came to Bombay when I was 15?
Yes, you should.
ये सारे नाम जो है ना कुरला, चेंबूर, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये खाने के आइटम्स हैं.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Like it sounds like that to my ears. Does that make sense?
Kurla can be I don't know
Like,
form of
because I think it's close to kurma.
कुरमा అవును ఉండొచ్చు I agree. आप लोग भी बताइए कि कौन से एरिया कैसे लगते हैं కాకపోతే అప్పుడప్పుడు నేను ఒక
Sweet
వర్డ్స్
doggy there.
I saw 3 doggos on your WhatsApp DP.
Yes.
Who are these 3?
So those 3 fellows are my Hyderabad fellows.
हाँ
Bubbles, baby boy Bubbles, Bagheera, and Ganesh.
హాయ్ గణేష్ ఏంటి రేంజ్ మామా
All 3 are Shih Tzus. And I've got 2 Indies in Goa, Mickey and Minnie. And I've got 4 cats. Got Fruity, Shantuli, Guddu Guddi.
तो भाई एनिमल किंगडम नेम कर दीजिए अब आपके घर को घर क्यों है
I mean, I just, यार मैं सोचता हूँ कि उनके घर में हम आ गए,
हाँ जी
है ना,
सही
उनके घरों
thought
में
है
हम आ गए, उनके घर को मिटा रहे हैं, तो सोचता हूँ चलो कुछ तो कर लो उनके लिए.
सही बात है बहुत सुंदर बात है लेकिन ये जो मुंबई आए थे आप 15 साल के थे तब क्यों आए थे
हीरो बनने.
अच्छा
I was such a major Ram Gopal Varma fan as a kid. Us time, you know, he had these movies, Company and all these movies. out.
या
So I'd come to Mumbai because I thought all I have to do is show my short film to him. जो हमने स्कूल में एक short सा video बनाया था.
मस्त
And Chubin Jay said, that's it. You know, I thought next thing I know, I'm going to be a hero in RJV's movie.
दैट्स ऑल
Yeah, because
That's how
what
it
you
works.
think. No, that's you're 15. That's what you think.
या
Yeah. So and my first day, I swear to God, it's such a Mumbai story or Bombay story. My first day, I fell in a pothole.
यू फेल्ला
I fell in a pothole.
No. And then that's not how big it could have been, but it's possible.
No, it happened. Well, I mean, halfway.
हाँ.
Like
Did
left
you
side.
twist and all?
Yeah. Nice. Shammi Kapoor twisted it. It was in Navi Mumbai, Nerul.
Yeah.
That's where my Pinni Garu lived.
పిన్ని గారు ఇక్కడేనా ఇప్పుడు కూడా
Yes.
Oh,
No,
wow.
not now. She until recently.
వాషి యూస్ టు హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ భాई
Yeah,
बहन
yeah.
लोग
So I would get on the train in Nerul, come till somewhere, then get on 2 different buses to come to Andheri, so I could audition.
भाई आप 15 साल में कर रहे थे, फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग है.
हाँ, and it was too fast.
It was
So
too
I
fast.
ended up rewinding again.
Yeah, fair enough.
My first audition was for a TV serial, and I didn't realize it. And it's actually quite a famous story, at least man Telugu ki. You know, they asked me to speak in Hindi, and I speak in Hindi, and then the first thing they said, "आपकी हिंदी में ना कोई accent है, आप कहाँ से हो?" मैंने कहा, "San Francisco." तभी ये ना American accent जो है आपका, you'll have to work on it. आप कुछ कर लो, you know, you read Hindi newspapers वगैरह.
हाँ.
Okay. So I ended up going back to that same office for another TV serial audition the next week.
वाह.
And when I went back, when they asked me, आप कहाँ से हो? I said Hyderabad. तभी आपकी ना साउथ का एक्सेंट है.
आप जिधर से बोलो उधर से खामी आ जाएगी भाई एक. बहुत सुंदर. But that could have been a little devastating in your mind, like as a child it could have affected you.
It was the first time I realized just because you think at 15 you're going to meet RGB and become a hero, you're not going to.
Yeah.
But yeah, it took an extra 10 years to become a hero. So.
Good fun, man. Happy to have you. G2 is happening. Dacoit is coming. There's all kinds of good fun.
Yes.
इतने शुभ अवसर पे आप आए हो और हम बप्पा के दर्शन ना करें ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना भाई.
కలవాలి పెద్దాన్ని కలవాలి
అంతే కదా.
పెద్దాన్ని దర్శనం అవ్వాలి.
అదే బప్పా is a huge emotion in Mumbai for us.
And even no, I think even for all Telugu folk as well.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, Vinayakudu, like for me growing up in the States, doesn't matter whether you celebrate Dasara or not, New Year's or not, Diwali or not, but Vinayaka Chaviti
Main.
has to happen.
So how would you do it?
Oh, dude, I would have to pull out the mantra pustakam and start reading all the mantras. That's the reason I can speak Telugu and Hindi well.
Yeah.
Because, you know, that वो रट रट के like that
Rigor
sense
आ
of-
गया आप में.
Yeah, like I can pronounce.
सही बात है.
एंड लेटली मैं पिछले 2-3 सालों से थोड़ा लेजी बना कि वो एक आजकल ये पॉडकास्ट पे मंत्र आ जाते हैं.
जी साहब.
सो यू कैन जस्ट टर्न इट ऑन
And the whole thing is happening. Yeah. हम भी वो हो गए हैं भाई.
एंटायर चाइल्डहुड आई वाज द वन रीडिंग इट.
आरती स्पॉटिफाई से बजती है. जयदेव ఒకటే.
అవును.
కోరస్ మనం పాడతాం.
I actually liked, a lot of people might not know this, I liked it as soon as we turned on the car, Suprabhatam was playing off your phone.
Yes.
That was nice. It was a
Kausalya
nice touch.
Suprabhat.
It made me feel, suddenly I felt like my childhood in Vizag.
Yeah, same mama, same.
Yeah.
Although Cali, we were talking about how गणपति पूजा वहाँ होती है.
Yes.
तो और बताओ वहाँ पर मंदिर कैसे हैं? पुलियरो तड़कड़ा.
Livermore Temple is huge in
Really?
California, in the Bay Area. Livermore Temple, I think it's one of the earlier ones, so it might not be as big and not be as big as some of the Texas ones or the Jersey ones. But it's so beautiful and it was well done way back then. If I'm not mistaken, one of the Andhra chief ministers was the one who came and opened the temple. And
What are
the
you saying?
foundation stone. Yeah, full on. And I remember there used to be this 7-foot tall pujari inside the Livermore Temple.
అవునా?
And I'd be like looking at him like this. as a
He's
kid.
7 foot. You are only
Yeah,
looking up to him. Like
yeah.
crazy. That's superb.
So yeah, those good times, man. It was good times. So much of what I learned about Indian culture,
Yeah.
वो मैंने वहाँ सीखी है. You know, he got me interested into the Mahabharata.
क्या
I
बात?
ended up reading a big 7-volume edition because of him. तो मतलब my sense of India was all of that. यहाँ पर आया तो it was something else. It was like modern India.
Yeah, dude.
कि मैं रोड क्रॉस कर नहीं पा रहा था बॉम्बे में.
हाँ जी.
पॉटहोल हो गया, डबल डेकर बस हो गया. आई रिमेम्बर मैं वाडाला स्टेशन में पहली बार खड़ा था and like the crowd, all I had to do was just stand there. I
वही
went
ले
in.
गए.
Like I didn't actually walk into the train.
Yeah.
The crowd carried me into the train.
ऐसे ही होता है भाई.
And they ended up telling me, hey, make sure you keep your hands in your pockets so you don't lose your wallet. But luckily I never had anything stolen.
So ये मुंबई दर्शन अगर आपका चालू करे
हाँ.
तो if you're taking the western line जहाँ हम अभी हैं,
जी.
ये बैंड्रा आ चुके हैं हम लोग.
Bandra, that's where all the
Cool people are.
cool people are.
Cool cafes are.
Cool cafes, cool food. Dude, I've had good food in Bandra. But
Yeah.
I'm told that all the people who don't speak Hindi also live here.
Yeah. You'll find all like all diaspora folks over here. You'll find our it's superb.
By
It's
the
an
way,
all mixed fruit juice.
The best part of Bombay for me has always been Kolaba.
Yeah.
Kolaba I knew extensively because we shot there for Major.
हाँ जी, जितने लोग जहाँ से देख रहे हैं प्लीज सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले. और भाई की जो फिल्म आई है आने वाली है, डकैत इज अ फिल्म.
Dakat is coming out April 10th. I'm so excited. The reason being, it's a true passion project. My best friend directed it.
Yes.
You know, people I consider family have made the film with me. We shot the film in 2 different languages, Hindi and Telugu.
वाह.
तो मतलब हिंदी के सीन्स हमने हिंदी में ट्रीट किया, हिंदी में मतलब एक सेंसिबिलिटी, एक
तो
nativity
2
के
पिक्चर
साथ
शूट किए आपने
2
फिर?
फिल्म बनाए हमने। तो हमें पैन इंडिया फिल्म नहीं करना था, एक प्रॉपर बाइलिंगुअल करना था, बिकॉज ये फिल्म ना इट्स हाई ऑन इमोशंस।
या
हमने सोचा बेहतर यही है कि जब क्लोजअप है ना, होठ कुछ और, वो मीम्स देखा आपने
नहीं
Insta
नहीं
पे?
नहीं, हाँ वो बैठता नहीं है।
जब वो मीम्स तो देखा होगा ना कि
जी, जी, जी,
होठ
जी।
कुछ हिल रहे हैं,
AI में भी ऐसे होता है।
ये मत यो वही
हाँ।
मुझे करते हैं।
आई नो व्हाट यू मीन।
What I was saying was those setbacks, the way they dub the Telugu films,
या
वो थोड़ा अनफेयर है, बिकॉज
नहीं
हम ऐसे
होता
नहीं
है।
बोलते हैं तेलुगु में। तो
और-
मतलब कहीं ना कहीं, अरे लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल माय फिल्म गूढ़ाचारी, इट वाज डब्ड एंड कॉल्ड इंटेलिजेंट खिलाड़ी। अब
Intelligent
अब
खिलाड़ी।
मैंने तो सोचा नहीं इंटेलिजेंट खिलाड़ी नाम रखना है
हाँ,
करके,
हाँ।
लेकिन इतना तो है कि हम जब छिटकुल में शूट कर रहे थे, पॉपुलेशन 402 बस,
नहीं हो सकता
फाइनल
भाई।
इंडियन विलेज ऑन द इंडो चाइना बॉर्डर, ठीक है, वहां पर बच्चे जैसे उन्होंने मुझे देखा जब हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे, इंटेलिजेंट खिलाड़ी करके बोलने लगे। तो अब यार चलो
भाई लेकिन isn't that a moment of pride कि G1 है वो,
हाँ।
अभी G2 आएगी,
जी,
तो आपका उतनी दूर रीच है, isn't that a flex?
it definitely is and you know it meant a lot to me कि यार हाँ, हमने 14 की उम्र में कोई स्पाई फिल्म बनाने का एक सपना देखा था,
हाँ।
कहाँ हमने बना लिया, and we shot it in Hyderabad, and then next thing you know,
या
इंडो चाइना बॉर्डर पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे, यू नो दे हैव दोस, बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर देयर, दीस लिटिल बच्चे, दे हैड लाइक एप्पल चीक्स, यू नो, सो क्यूट। और ये 6-8 साल के बच्चे थे टेलिंग मी अबाउट माय फिल्म, और वो हिंदी वाले डायलॉग्स सुना रहे मुझे जो मुझे पता नहीं थे। तो मतलब यार देयर वाज समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल अबाउट
या दैट्स अ ग्रेट फिल्म। आई मीन क्या G2 में आप और ग्लोबल जाने वाले हो या वही ग्राउंडेडनेस रखेंगे आप जो इमोशंस की रखी थी आपने character की?
ग्लोबली जाएंगे पर उधर भी ग्राउंडेड ही रहेंगे, मतलब
Fair.
हवा में कोई नहीं उड़ेगा।
ठीक है।
वी आर शूटिंग इन 6 different countries for G2.
What?
Yeah. We've got Vamika in it. We've got Imran Hashmi sir in it.
Wow.
It's going massive. It's going massive. But you know, at the moment, like the focus and pride and emotion is all with Daket. You know, just the fact that my best friend's debut is happening with the film.
हाँ जी।
तो एक feeling होता है ना यार।
बट ये कभी सोचे क्या हॉलीवुड में जाने का, वहाँ कुछ करने का?
I did. You know, I went to audition in LA when I was a kid.
वो
And the funny thing was, you would land gigs. You would land gigs like gas station employee number 3,
ouch.
terrorist number 4,
Oh no.
call center employee number 6. तो मैंने कहीं ना कहीं सोचा यार, एटलीस्ट व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप, इट वाज लाइक यार मुझे ब्राउन टॉम क्रूज तो नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ,
जी साहब।
ब्राउन डेंजल वॉशिंगटन और ब्राउन विल स्मिथ, मतलब भले डेंजल वॉशिंगटन विल स्मिथ ब्राउन ही है,
जी।
मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि अपने देसी तो कोई दिख नहीं रहे थे।
सही बात है।
तो और ऊपर से आई वाज सो इन लव विद इंडियन सिनेमा, आई एम अ मेजर आमिर खान सर फैन,
वो
and I was like, there I was watching American films, but then I was just rushing to watch Rang De Basanti for the 3rd time in the same week at Nas Cinema, Fremont, California.
वो
तो मतलब, you know, for me it just made like natural sense कि यार चलो वापस इंडिया आ जाओ।
सही बात है भाई, अच्छा किया आ गए आप।
Yeah,
बट मुंबई शिफ्ट होने का नहीं सोचते हो क्या बिल्कुल भी?
Home is Hyderabad. I was born there, and see, I think there's this interesting experiment I'm trying. ठीक है, at least 90% of Hindi films come and shoot in Hyderabad.
या
You came and did Hyderabad journey with me.
या
We are
Bombay
used to
journey,
working
Hyderabad
with
shit.
so many. We're used to working with so many Hindi actors in Hyderabad.
हाँ जी।
Doesn't matter where the money comes from.
या
And we are releasing our films across the country and across the world.
दैट्स ट्रू।
तो आप ये बताओ, हमने जो डकैत हिंदी में हैदराबाद से बनाई है,
ठीक है,
प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
सही बात है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं भाई, हम देखेंगे जाके
हाँ,
बिंदास।
so
बट ऐसे आप ऐसा स्कोडा गाड़ी लेके पूरा तोड़ दोगे बोलते हो जब पार्किंग में,
हाँ,
तभी आपको प्रोड्यूसर से कैसी जद्दोजहद करनी पड़ती है कि इसके लिए मुझे पैसा चाहिए। वो एक सीक्वेंस आपने कितने दिन शूट किया था ये बताओ?
I think the benefit is यार, हमें ना इन तेलुगु सिनेमा ज्यादातर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इतने नहीं होते हैं। So there's a handshake. There is no like discussion about lawyers and insurance and contracts.
या
तो हैंडशेक, you know, बाकी सब एक दूसरे के भरोसे,
हाँ जी।
वो नहीं हुआ, सेट नहीं हुआ तो राम भरोसे।
सही बात है।
So yeah, but yeah, we were breaking ambulances left and right for decoy.
या इवन एम्बुलेंसेस यू थ्रोन देम ऑफ ऑफ हाईवेज।
Yeah, like
I saw some-
हमने बड़े बड़े एम्बुलेंस ऐसे तोड़े हैं, and strangely enough, the final day of shooting with the ambulance, when coming back, it got into an actual accident because the brakes stopped working because we were crashing it. Knock on wood, knock on wood.
Yeah, good fun only when everybody is put together.
But
लेकिन
yeah.
आप अनुराग सर के साथ शूट कर रहे थे. अनुराग भाई के पास तो कुछ भी हुआ है. उनके सेट्स में तो crazy incidents हुए हैं.
You know the funniest thing? Anurag sir is scared to drive.
Yeah.
And he told me that once the entire road was empty and there was only one cycle guy coming when he was learning how to drive. And he did, I don't know how it happened, but in the entire empty road, he went and hit the cycle guy.
Yeah.
So we actually put that as an inspiration in the film.
What do you say?
In the film, my character, there's a small, beautiful, fun scene where he's learning how to drive. It's a very empty plot of land, सिर्फ एक पेड़ है. ताकि वो पेड़ को ठोकता है.
क्या बात है साहब, क्या बात है. टैलेंट चाहिए इसके लिए. ऐसे वैसे ड्राइवर नहीं कर पाते ये सब चीजें भाई. लेकिन ये देखो, ये भी जो पब्लिक रेडी हो रही है ना, ये सब गुड़ी पड़वा के लिए रेडी हो रही है.
Oh, how lovely.
यस सर.
How lovely.
बहुत सुंदर माहौल होगा आज मुंबई में. क्रेजी.
Oh,
लुक एट
look at all
दैट.
the Malepulu in there.
या
Yeah, that's nice.
वाह, चाल
Yeah,
टाइम है
that's
मामा.
always the thing that tells me, that makes me feel that tradition when
Yeah.
seeing my mom or sister put jasmine flowers in their hair for puja in the States.
యా.
So whenever I see that now, that's the first thing I connect to.
బట్ మీరు మల్లెపువ్వు అనగానే మన ఒక స్ట్రీట్ వెండర్ సెల్లింగ్ మల్లెపువ్వు గుర్తుకొచ్చేసాడు.
అవునా?
దిల్ కీప్ ఎల్లింగ్ కదా పొద్దున్నే.
Malepulu,
మల్లెపూలు. You didn't come to this Bombay journey thinking you'll see two people just yell out selling flowers to you all. लेकिन भाई देखो.
Yeah, I can do the train chai coffee.
Okay, let's try. I can do a very good one, but let's try.
Okay. Chai, coffee.
That's not bad, bro. That's not bad. Do you want to hear
You
mine?
do it, you
Okay,
do
okay. So I go very nasal,
Okay.
and it has to be a sing song because
Okay.
he's also waking you up.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Yeah. Chai.
Wait, this must be a Bombay guy.
Coffee.
That's it.
This is a Western Railway thing.
Chai, coffee.
Yeah. This is lazy. This guy is making so much effort. Padu. Chai. Etla.
I guess it's also how they sell sabzi, in the colony.
Yeah.
सुबह सो रहे हो, बंदा चिल्ला रहा आता है.
बहुत सुंदर.
And then
भाई ये ही चीजें आपको राइटर बनाती हैं, पता है. आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल्स ही आपको राइटर बनाती हैं. हम लोग सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर आए हैं बॉम्बे जर्नी पे, कुछ यूनिक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हम कर पाते हैं थैंक्स टू यू ऑल. कल्चर क्लैश कभी समझा आपने? लाइक हैव यू एवर फिगर्ड एनी काइंड ऑफ कल्चरल शॉक्स इन मुंबई?
there's a very positive cultural shock.
बताओ कैसे वाला?
I'd once left my MacBook in a taxi
वो
and no Uber. It was just a regular taxi, but the guy actually hunted me down and gave it to me.
where you left, bro?
I was going to QLab in Andheri,
हाँ जी.
and the guy just sort of found me again after 3 hours, and I didn't remember where I left it. I was looking for it everywhere, and he actually gave it to me, MacBook. And I would think there's a lot of cities in India that wouldn't happen.
नहीं भाई, ये नहीं होता.
So I think
वेरी फ्यू सिटीज वर्ल्ड वाइड ये जहाँ होता.
हाँ, मतलब जो I would say जिस तरह के ट्रैफिक रूल्स यहाँ फॉलो करते हैं
जी
और जिस तरह के ऑनेस्टली यहाँ के टैक्सी ड्राइवर्स और ऑटो ड्राइवर्स की जो ईमानदारी है ना,
भाई, अलग लेवल.
I mean I think that's a certain level of goodness and discipline which is something. When I was 12,
या.
I had this sort of crisis of faith of sorts. मुझे पूजा पाठ इसलिए नहीं करनी थी क्योंकि माँ पापा करते हैं.
हाँ.
I genuinely wanted to know. So I started trying to read the Bhagavad Gita and I couldn't understand. I didn't have the emotional ability to understand it. So I started with something a bit more easy and I started reading the Mahabharata,
वाह.
which is more filmy and dramatic. But then
It's a range.
so then I started getting certain life lessons.
आई थिंक हमें यहाँ की वाइब लेनी चाहिए और फिर आप आंसर वहीं से पिकअप कर लेना. सुंदर दर्शन हो गए नहीं?
Also strangely so organized.
चलो, थैंक यू.
MVP colony, St. Mary's.
भाई बाहर बहुत सुंदर चीज चालू हो गई है जो कि है लेजिम. तो जो ढोल सुनाई दे रहा है वो नासिक ढोल है.
Nashik Dole.
हाँ जी.
Okay.
तो अगर थोड़ा हमें थिरकना है तो जाके थिरक सकते हैं. क्रेजी. बाहर चल के.
Superb stuff.
इन लोग के साथ जाके नाच लेते हैं ना थोड़ा. Would I have a leeway of like 10-15 minutes late?
Yeah.
ఎప్పుడు వరకు పెట్టొచ్చు మీ కక్కడ? Because this is beautiful. यही हमें गिरगांव में मिल रहा था.
Oh, nice, nice.
शोभा यात्रा होती है ये.
Hmm.
You know, we were praising Mumbai police and thanks to our भाई लोग here. They were like, क्या कर रहे हो? ये शेष है ना? हाँ हाँ इनकी पिक्चर है, देखिए देखिए हमने. They were so kind, bro. They just understood that we are filming and we are doing our job and they are doing their job. भाई देखो, किराक, कुछ हम लोग हैदराबादी में बात करेंगे
हाँ,
और उनका मुंबई वर्जन तलाशने की कोशिश में रहेंगे.
फाड़ू है.
फाड़ू है, किराक. हाँ, फाड़ू सही बोले भाई.
किराक ने फाड़ू है अंटर का.
అవును. ఇంకా హౌ का क्या इक्विवेलेंट रहेगा? हाउ
सही है.
सही है. बट लाइक हाउ किसी भी किधर भी अप्लाई
I
होता
can't
है.
believe the Telugu guy is giving you tips on what we should
And
say.
you're
in the-
working, bro.
in
You're
the Mumbai
working.
equivalent.
It's going. It's a vibe.
I could give you the California equivalent.
हाँ, yeah, please.
Yo, that is tight.
That's tight.
That is tight.
All right.
That is ill.
That's you.
Yeah.
ఏంటిది ఉల్టా?
That is sick.
That's sick. Yeah, Adi, that's something I've heard. This one you won't know.
On God.
On God. Oh, on God. ये वाला आपको नहीं पता होगा. बिल्ला आदमी है.
बिल्ला आदमी.
हाँ. అంటే తోప్.
తోపు.
ఇతను తోప్.
మామూలుగా తోపు.
మామూలుడు కాదు ఇది సార్.
I'll tell you something very, very interesting. When I was in the US, I would talk to Americans in English, my parents in Telugu, and all my friends in Hindi.
अरे भाई साहब.
So in my head, acting, because you do it with your friends, right?
Yeah.
Acting meant Hindi in my head.
ना.
So a lot of my directors often complain that my Hindi take comes out much quicker.
वो
than
kind
my
of problems
Telugu
you
take.
would think.
And I'm like, but I think in Telugu.
Yeah.
I think in Telugu.
Damn,
so
huh?
it's a very interesting mix of doing things.
Yeah. Okay, now we're getting Lejim from.
Wow.
This is the origin of
The Nasik Dhol.
the Nashik Dhol. It's on, guys. It's on. Can we quickly go and do it?
Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this. For the first time on the Bombay Journey, folks, हम उतर के लेजिम सुनेंगे और थोड़ा सा थिरकेंगे भी.
लेजिम सुनेंगे और लेजेंड बनेंगे.
लेजेंड बनेंगे. लेजेंडरी काम. My team is just as excited because they are like, you are experiencing their culture. Yeah. बहुत सुंदर. क्या बात है. भाई गणपति डांस करते थे क्या? ఏంటి చూపి.
US లో గణపతి డాన్స్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్.
అవునా? This is a vibe.
गुड़ी पाडवा के शुभकामनाएं आपको.
हैप्पी गुड़ी पाडवा. बहुत सुंदर.
Look at how cool they are.
Yeah, it's damn cool. बहुत सुंदर है.
ना स्वैग है, साड़ी के साथ सनग्लास.
Yeah, that's a cool one. हैप्पी गुड़ी पड़वा बाबू. कैसे? क्या बात?
Look at the jewelry, man.
It's perfect. It's so cool. अंदर चलेंगे. ढोल ताशे क्या? इधर ढोल ताशा हो रहा है. बहुत सुंदर है.
So, bhai, this is Mumbai and Bombay. This Bombay is a feeling.
Yeah.
हम अभी
आप मैं बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, दादर व्यू पॉइंट पे जा रहे हैं.
क्या बात है भाई, आप पूरा अडेप्ट कर गए.
And so how did you learn Telugu? How did you, it's so nice to connect with a fellow South Indian.
मामा अद्रिंद्रा देख लीजिए आप लोग. If you want Sesh to do this.
In all of these, did anybody ever try to take your job?
No.
We are here, guys, at Dadar Viewpoint,
Yes.
and welcome to Bombay.
Yeah, मुंबई दर्शन में ये आपका मस्ट हैव है कि आप एक बार दादर व्यू पॉइंट आए. अभी एक और खुल गया है.
Okay.
Because this did so well.
Are we parking?
I
mean, we are parking.
अच्छी गाड़ी चलाते हो भाई आप.
Thank you.
कहाँ सीखे?
Yes,
तो आप इस तरफ से उस तरफ में कभी डाउट किया अपने आप को?
I did.
Okay.
And if I go back to the US for a couple of months, मैं confused हो जाता हूँ.
है ना?
हाँ, थोड़ा time
तो आप गाड़ी इधर उधर डाल देते?
हाँ.
हो ना?
But also it's interesting because in Dakat, I play a character who doesn't know how to drive. And it's a very big character trait in the film. So it was interesting because Mrinal's the driver in the film. So, and I didn't realize the day one I was trying to be like, देखो Mrinal, थोड़ा fast चलाना ये वो ये मैं बोला था. She's like, dude. And this woman, she started like, she was drifting, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Runal, what is this talent we did not know about?
Yeah, like she knows, she in one take, she drifted an ambulance. She drifted an ambulance.
That's quite impossible. That you need guts for that. Some other level का एक किराक guts होना उसके लिए.
You need dole for that.
Dola, Addi,
And
that's the
Balupu
usage. That's the usage, mama. Right, help them. ఏమున్నా de? ये जो आ रही है आपको सौंधी सौंधी खुशबू
So this is Sondi Sondi Khushbu.
मुंबई एक क्विक अडेप्टिव नेचर जो है भाई का वो बड़ा मजेदार है एज अ पर्सन हु नोज द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ सिनेमा इज इट डिफिकल्ट टू देन नेगोशिएट मनीज एंड लाइक फिगर how to go about it because you know what they can have in the kitty.
Yeah, because I realized that paying people on films, it has nothing to do with what they deserve.
Yeah,
It has everything to do with what that person feels they are worth.
yeah.
Because deserve क्या होता है? अभी एक्टर जितना हार्ड वर्क करता है काम उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा लाइटमैन काम करता है.
Correct.
तो फिर एक्टर को ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है क्योंकि एक्टर के नाम पे पिक्चर खुलता है. So I think it's so much about that person feeling respected.
Yeah.
They feel like if I'm putting my time into this, I need to be paid this much.
Yeah.
And if you're able to agree on that, it's good.
That's true.
पंगा तब होता है जब anything from payment to working hours to anything else, लोग कुछ और सोचते हैं और कुछ और होने लगता है.
तो हम दादर व्यू पॉइंट बंद होने के कारण आपको दादर व्यू पॉइंट के बाजू का व्यू पॉइंट दे रहे हैं.
So हम दादर व्यू पॉइंट के बाजू के व्यू पॉइंट पे आए हैं.
मेरी नौकरी छीनने के पूरे प्रयत्न में शेष भाई. हाँ, तो अनुराग साहब के साथ आपका ये वाला बातचीत नहीं हुआ और डू यू ऑल्सो हैव एन ऑनट्राज ही गॉट शॉक्ड बाय.
Not at all, Ray. Not at all. In fact, Anurag sir and I, you know what I was surprised
वाह,
by?
क्या शॉट है. वाह,
I was surprised by.
हीरो शॉट मामा మీరు వచ్చేగానే
I'll
go for it ready.
I'm surprised by how simple and honest Anurag sir is. You know, बच्चों का एक unfiltered personality होता है ना. I feel he has that genuine honesty.
Yeah.
और genuine honesty में काफी दफा लोग they might get offended, but
हाँ.
he's the most authentic person I've met in a long, long time.
लेकिन उनसे ऐसा टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स वगैरह करते थे आप एज एन आर्टिस्ट.
बहुत सारा. What we realized was, who's your baby?
How do you know we're lovers of divorce? How do you know this? Look at you. Hello boy.
Who's your baby?
What's your name?
Who's your baby?
खुजली करवा ले मेरे पैंट से तू बस अपनी.
Oh, baby.
हाँ,
Who's your
so
baby? We realized for the Hindi version of Dakat, we had India's best Hindi dialogue writer on set for free.
what else do you want?
He's become my fellow now.
Bro, he's walking with us. Come boy, let's go. इसका नाम क्या है? Milo, what a boy. Milo, what a guy. इसका? लंबू, हाँ क्योंकि लंबा है. लंबू है बोल के.
क्या बात. अच्छा लगा.
हम लोग का जो 4 बजे खाना भी है.
आप ही संभालते हो.
मॉर्निंग में दूध है.
हाँ.
है सब.
हैप्पी गुड़ी पाड़वा भाई.
क्या बात है बाबा. क्या अच्छी बात है.
थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं आप.
पूरे look at this handsome fellow.
What is this guy? इसका नाम क्या है? रामू.
ये हिमाचल से लेके आए थे औरत.
हाँ.
वाह.
उसमें जाके छोड़ दिए.
हाँ.
तो ये देखो भाई खाना छोड़ के हमारे पास प्यार करने आई. लिली, what a cutie you are. You have left food for us.
Sweetie
Love,
baby.
go eat. Bye. But Anurag sir has been constantly talking about, how he has a huge problem with the entourage culture. That's basically something we keep pondering upon. Ki, do we make it happen? Do we not make it happen? for you all?
There are entourage issues everywhere. Our set is a little different, na? Matlab, we are such passionate people. All of us, me, Mrinal, Anurag sir. Mrinal sir. I have a team of 2. Mrinal has a team of 3.
You all don't do nutritionist, social media manager, chata.
We have all of them. We just don't bring them to set.
मेरा सवाल ये था भाई जर्नी में पिताजी को आपके एक्टर बनना था मेरे को पता चला आज.
जी.
So is he like supremely proud when your film drops?
He is, but you know the beautiful thing is, which I think is so funny and also so amazing. He said, just because you became a hero doesn't mean my dream of becoming a hero became fulfilled.
Oh.
Your dream is your dream. My dream is my dream.
बढ़िया बात की है अंकल.
And
नमस्कार.
he's a very accomplished doctor. He's a pediatrician, neonatologist. And, I just thought it's so amazing that he said that. He's
Yeah,
my
dude.
biggest support. He and my mom. I feel I got more support from my parents than most star kids will.
Yeah.
And so when people say, so how does it feel that you made it on your own? I'm like, kaun sa made it on my own? My entire support backbone, like, khada kar diya. They gave me a platform for everything.
सही बात बोले आप.
And, I think it's extraordinary.
Touchwood, that's so kind and nice to have. तो भाई ये देखो, बाहुबली आपने की थी, उसके बाद स्टीरियोटिपिकल रोल्स तो आए होंगे ना आपको, ऐसे कनिंग.
Yeah, I mean, it was my
Shalyantra.
last film before I became a hero.
Yeah.
I think I'm very grateful for the experience. And then also that experience taught me what it's like to look at myself from a place of respect and not just, people say, the life coach told me this once. She said, if you want people to love you, you have to love yourself first. So Bahubali taught me to love myself. And
You weren't a lover of yourself by before?
no, I was low on confidence.
Really?
Yeah, very vulnerable. मैं ये दिमाग में बैठ गया था कि यार हमें कौन देखेगा. And I think when I saw the degree of respect the people on the set of Bahubali gave me, I think it sort of changed how I looked at myself. I used to, Rama Garu, who's Rajamouli sir's wife and also the costume designer of the film,
Yes.
I used to go hide in my small trailer in my caravan because I was not feeling good about myself. So, 2-3 dafa unhone डांटा. She said, "What do you think of yourself? You're some big movie star, huh? Why can't you come and sit, eat lunch with all of us?" So, that, the fact that they wanted to speak to me, the fact that they wanted
Yeah.
to have lunch with me, get to know me as a person, get to know me as an artist, it meant the world to me. And I think after that is how Kshanam happened.
Yeah.
And and that was a further confidence booster because once Kshanam became Baghi 2 here and it became such a massive success, मैंने कहा चलो हमारी आइडिया में कुछ तो है.
दम है.
कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक हर किसी को अच्छा लगा, so that's when I decided, I'm like, from now on my ideas I'm going to take them to Hindi. And lo behold, here we are with the Hindi version that we made.
मुबारक हो भाई, मुबारक हो. थिएटर में जाके देखनी है भाई पब्लिक को.
I think craft है picture में. And I call it like, it's like gems and M&Ms होता है ना. So I feel like it's a love story, which is the chocolate inside, and the hard shell outside is the action. So
I always love the crisps.
Yeah.
I'm a huge crisps fan, but
Yeah.
the chocolate is what you devour.
yeah.
Nicely done, bro. Nicely done. ये सोच के आए थे ना आप, ये बोलोगे?
नहीं मतलब I've been saying it.
ए
to my-
natural writer.
हाँ मतलब I felt like that because people, so I'm known for my action films. So a lot of people are like, इसमें कौन सा बहुत बड़ा action scene होने वाला है, इसमें कौन सा twist होने वाला है. And I was like, वो सब है, but the main thing is the emotion.
Yeah.
And I think that's what
उसके
I'm
बिना
quite
कोई
proud of.
एक्शन फिल्म एक्चुअली बढ़िया नहीं है भाई.
Yeah. Like this film is less about the choreography
Yeah.
and more about the rage in his eyes when he's fighting.
या बट ये एक्शन थ्रिलर का जमाना कब तक चलेगा भाई? हम लोग को लव स्टोरी थोड़ा मिस हो रहा है.
Which I think is probably why मैं खुद मिस कर रहा था, which was probably a good reason as to why I started wanting to do this love story. It's my first true blue love story.
ओ दिस इज अ लव स्टोरी एट हार्ट.
Proper love story at heart. वही तो मैं कह रहा था. अंदर का जो चॉकलेट है,
वही है लव.
love.
इधर ऐसा बोलते हैं लव. लव नहीं बोलते, लव.
Love.
लव है इधर. आपको करना है क्या एक मराठी क्यूट थिंग टू कैमरा लव स्टोरी वाला?
हाँ.
ठीक है, रेडी? अभी सिग्नल पे रोकेंगे ना आप.
हाँ.
అదిమి కెమెరా ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకోండి.
Okay.
यू हैव टू आस्क अ गर्ल क्यूटली.
हाँ.
वो घर पहुंच चुकी है,
हाँ.
आप मिलके अभी हटे,
हाँ.
अभी उसने खाना खाया कि नहीं,
हाँ.
यू हैव टू आस्क, बट इट इज इन मराठी.
How do I say it in Marathi?
జేవ్లిస్ కా.
Jail इसका.
ఐజ్ ఇవ్వండి మామ, ఐజ్ కొన్ని ఐజ్ కొంచెం. ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఇది ఆగాలి. ఏదో బీప్ అవుతుంది, మీరు చెప్పేసండి. అది పర్ఫెక్ట్. గో ఫర్ ఇట్.
Pranal. Jail इसका.
మృణాల్ ప్లీజ్ యూ లెట్ us know if this was convincing enough. Bhai,
She's like, whatever.
she is fully Maharashtrian bro at heart. She is like a also huge foodie.
Yes, she is.
మీరు ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేశారా ఫుడ్ నోట్స్?
You know what's cool? On set, she would be getting me cake, cinnamon rolls, all kinds of iced coffees, and she would be finding these cool places in Hyderabad that I never heard of.
Like
And
what?
Just different new cafes. Hyderabad is such a city of cafes now.
It's buzzing, bro. It's
Yeah.
going crazy.
So she'd be finding new places and getting me food, and I'd be like, dude, I'm the one from here. I'm the one who's supposed to treat you. And she's like, and I have the problem you have. She'd be like, Sesh, you have so much anxiety on your face, and you're so worried about the shot and the film all the time.
Yeah.
Let someone else worry about you. And I thought,
Dude, I
yeah,
love these humans. जो ऐसे करके जाते हैं ना, मेरे को मैं मतलब कोर से शेक हो जाता हूँ, मजा ही आ जाता है. ये क्या सुंदर बात कर दी आपने.
But one thing I've said in a couple of interviews, so it's not exactly like a spontaneous thing, but it's actually funny. You know, people ask me if she's down to earth. वो बहुत दफा बात करते करते नीचे जमीन पे बैठ जाती है. So we'd be like, yeah, she's actually down to earth.
एक और चीज है जो आपसे पूछनी पड़ेगी.
जी.
एक्शन थ्रिलर का सीक्रेट सॉस क्या है?
You should never forget that the goal of something is to excite the audience. आप जितना भी फाड़ू ट्विस्ट ढूंढ लो, जितना भी मजेदार शॉट निकालो, if it doesn't feel exciting,
Yeah.
cut it out, change it.
That's it.
I think that is it's not a secret sauce, it is my core belief.
Yeah.
बहुत दफा ऐसा हुआ है कि हमने इतना मजेदार स्टंट कुछ शूट किया था, but in the context of the scene, जब चल रहा था, we were like, ठीक है यार, it wasn't exciting.
नहीं बैठ रही बात.
So to have that like love for the film, passion for the making, but not passion for keeping it in edit.
Difficult, bro.
हाँ, दिल से काम करो लेकिन दिमाग से फैसला करो.
కాకపోతే అక్కడ ఎకనామిక్స్ ఆఫ్ సినిమా ఆల్సో మస్ట్ కమ్ ఇన్.
Of course.
ఎందుకంటే దాంట్లో చాలా ఖర్చు అయ్యి ఉంటుంది, టైం పడి ఉంటుంది.
Yeah, I mean, Dakat we shot for 149 days.
ఫక్
It's a 75 crore film,
భాయ్ సాబ్.
and we've made 2 films, so it's a 75 crore 2 films.
దట్స్ నాట్ బ్యాడ్. ఎకనామిక్స్ ఆఫ్ స్కేల్.
It's not too shabby. But उसमें 149 days इसलिए भी लगता है because 40-50 दिन निकालो, because you're shooting a separate language. See, every scene,
सही
every
बात है.
shot, we were treating it differently. Telugulo maybe punchline scene beginning లో వస్తుంది.
అవును.
Hindi में the punchline would maybe come in the end because that's what made sense for the texture of the language.
ये अच्छा पकड़े भाई आप.
हाँ, so it actually started with Major because we shot Major like that.
या.
And I realized more than taking it in one language and dubbing it into languages, I wanted to be authentic to the language.
या.
तो हिंदी की sensibility समझकर we started doing that.
बहुत सुंदर.
And it also meant double the work. So there was a running joke with Anurag sir on set.
బగాయించండి, రైట్ తీసుకుందామా? क्या बात है, क्या बात है. రన్నింగ్ జోక్ విత్ అనురాగ్ సార్.
Yeah, there was a running joke with Anurag sir on set, which is we would shoot because Shanil speaks Hindi and he speaks Hindi.
हाँ जी.
So we would shoot the Hindi take first. And Anurag sir, after finishing the Hindi take, would do the Telugu take. And the Telugu take would be so goddamn brilliant. We would like, sir, भले आप हिंदी में किया आपने, तेलुगु में आपने बिना सोचे किया. Because you're just being the character because you don't speak the language as well.
या.
हिंदी फिर से ऐसे करो ना. So क्या हो जाता था? The running joke between the three of us, me, Mrunal and Anurag sir, is whatever language we shoot first.
या.
Once the next language is done, they know that Sesh or Shanil will come and request, sir, can we go and go back and do the other language again?
डैम डैम डैम. दुविधाजनक सिचुएशन. जो एनआरआईज हैं हम लोग, भाई बंधु हमने देख रहे हैं जितने, वो लोग एक आइडिया को, जैसे आपने बोला ना, एक आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया बाहर लेके जाते हैं. तो आपके वो कल्चर शॉक्स क्या थे कि आप इंडिया वापस आए तो आपने रियलाइज किया कि ये 2-3 बताओ.
I moved to India before Uber came to India and Ola came to India. तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि आप एयरपोर्ट जाने के लिए टैक्सी बुक कर सकते हो, उनको एडवांस भी भेज सकते हो और वो सुबह 4 बजे नहीं आएंगे.
नहीं आएंगे. और आपकी फ्लाइट जाएंगी. क्रेजी ब्रो. व्हाट अबाउट रोमांस? हाउ इज लाइफ देयर?
वहाँ पे लोगों के पास इतना बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है ना.
Really?
So in the US, so that people are very no nonsense about romance. They're very like, listen, this is what I'm looking for. This is what you're looking for. And I feel India is all about what is unsaid.
Yeah.
जैसे आपने कहा, इंडिया का जो रुबाब है ना, बात ये नहीं है, स्पेशली रोमांस जैसी चीजों में, बात ये नहीं कि आप बोल क्या रहे हो, बात ये नहीं कि क्या बोल नहीं रहे. और एक बोल के पीछे
कहना क्या
मिठास
चाह रहे
क्या है, मीनिंग क्या है, उसका अर्थ क्या है, you know. So I feel India is a very different place in that way.
सडनली गहरी बात करके आदमी यार रोमांस होते कौन है भाई जिंदगी में?
Yeah, I'm the real life version of Facebook status. It's complicated.
इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
It's complicated.
कॉल करो इनको. इधर आते हो तो कास्टिंग वाले भाई लोग से नहीं मिलते हो क्या आप?
No. I've gotten offered quite a few war films because of Major.
या
All the big war films you can think of, they've offered me.
सब आए थे.
Which I said no to for the simple reason that Major संदीप के पेरेंट्स को मैंने ये प्रॉमिस किया था कि this is my passion project उस वक्त.
वाह.
And I can't like make a career out of playing different war heroes. फिर वो थोड़ा hypocritical बन जाता.
Weird है थोड़ा.
Also got offered a few biopics.
I was just about to say, तो फिर इस हिसाब से तो बायोपिक भी मना करोगे आप?
नहीं बायोपिक्स मना नहीं करूंगा, बट हाँ एक लेजेंडरी एक्टर का एक बायोपिक आया था जो it didn't touch my heart and the film's in production now, so I don't want to like
Oh damn.
Mention.
South Indian star లేకపోతే
no it was a Bollywood
Pan India.
it was a Bollywood star and
What?
his biopic. Yeah,
Crazy bro. But 41-year-old not being married in India, difficult. How to tackle parents?
I think what happens with Indian parents मैंने नोट किया है, पहले वो बोलते हैं जनरली, मतलब नॉन फिल्म एक्टर्स के एक्टर्स को छोड़ दो, नॉर्मली पहले बोलते हैं हमारे कास्ट, हमारे धर्म, हमारा ये
स्टैचर भी रहता भाई उसमें.
2-3 साल हो जाते हैं, चलो कास्ट छोड़ो, कम से कम
लड़की ले आओ.
हाँ नहीं कम से कम तेलुगु लड़की लेके आओ.
अच्छा तेलुगु लड़की. हाँ तेलुगु लड़की.
2-3 साल के अरे लड़की हो तो बहुत है. So the standards keep falling based on how
Years.
much you wait and how desperate they get.
And now you're like, are they asking, what are they saying?
They always knew I was a free bird.
Yeah.
They always knew I was a free bird. They always knew that I was only going to do what my heart said. मैं 13 की उम्र में जब सब पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, मैं फाइनल बंक करके शॉर्ट फिल्म शूट कर रहा था. तो ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आई एम चिलिंग. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन अपने दिल के वास्ते, अपने सपने के वास्ते काम कर रहा हूँ.
मस्त है.
तो उनको पता है कि that film is that thing, as cliche as it sounds, they know that film is that thing I'm married to.
Yeah. ఎలా అనిపించింది మామ?
I felt like I told you more about bomb. I'm just kidding.
तो क्या है आपका फाइनल वर्डिक्ट? क्या आप मुंबई मूव करना चाहेंगे?
मैं मुंबई हर महीना विजिट करना चाहूँगा. And if you can show me the right idli place in Mumbai, then I'll move.
ओके ऑन इट रहा. नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसे पढ़ो आई विल कम विद लिस्ट.
Good.
ऑल्दो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा हमें प्लीज कमेंट्स में बताइए. वी कीप लुकिंग एट फीडबैक. डकैत कमिंग आउट ऑन April 10th.
April 10th.
थिएटर में जाके देखो.
Yes, we've got Anurag sir in it, Mrinal Thakur in it,
प्रकाश राज भाई है उसमें.
with Prakash Raj sir. We have the amazing Touch Buddy song with Pawan Singh.
नाइस.
Bhojpuri and South coming together for
Bro.
a Hindi film.
क्या चल रहा है? क्रेजी गुड क्रॉसओवर्स. तो इसी प्यार को बरसाते रहिए. हैप्पी उगादी. आपको रमजान मुबारक या ईद मुबारक. अब अगर ये तब तक आ रहा है जब तक ईद आ चुकी है.
And
बासी
गुड़ी पड़वा की शुभकामनाएं, शुभेच्छा.
यस. आओ भाई. पहली बार बॉम्बे जर्नी पे मैं सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट को छोड़ने आया था, लेकिन अंदर मृणाल है ऐसा पता चला है मेरे को.
I will show you where she is.
तो हम गेट क्रैश करेंगे.
हाँ.
बेल मार के अब हम रुकेंगे थोड़ी देर. बट
गेट को ओपन करने को पूछ रहे हैं, क्रैश नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
जी साहब, फर्स्ट टाइम हम जेन्युइन गेट क्रैश कर रहे हैं. बातचीत नहीं हुई अंदर किसी से.
हाय सर.
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग.
हाय सर.
हम गेट क्रैश कर रहे हैं आपका स्टूडियो. हेलो
I was waiting for you. हाँ.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
हाउ आर यू?
Happy Gudi Padwa.
Happy
Ugadi.
Pineapple and
Oh, what's up, Macha?
looking very good, very nice.
Huh?
What is this? This is like for dubbing
Surprise.
only copy.
I was waiting for Shesh. I was like, Shesh कहाँ है? Dubbing के लिए help चाहिए.
मैं इनको बग करता था कि why are you late. अब मैं अब ये
मैं लेट हूँ. मैं लेट आती थी सेट पे.
एक मिनट.
Good save. But you've said such horrible things about you. It's not even funny. So,
Thank God.
what would you like to
Thank
say in
God.
like defense?
There is no defense. ये मैंने बोला था उनको, क्योंकि हर बार गुड गर्ल बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है. So it's better.
So you said great things, Mrinal.
Genuinely,
really?
Of course, of course.
I think I'm very 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 excited and thankful कि she did the film. Seriously, मैं diplomatic नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, दिल से बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ, सवाल.
मैं तो खुश हूँ यार. I got to be a डकैत in the movie. तो और क्या ही चाहिए बताओ.
आपकी ड्राइविंग स्किल्स की बात की इन्होंने.
हाँ.
आपने सच्ची में
I
गाड़ी
told you
ड्रिफ्ट कर दी?
drifted in an ambulance.
हाँ. You did.
Really?
You saw
Bro,
something.
where you learned all this? Just you winged it, no? हो गया, गलती से हो गया.
नहीं. You know, college days I was really fond of cars. तो मैं बस अपने दोस्तों की गाड़ी लेके निकल जाती थी. घर पे गाड़ी थी नहीं. I had an I-20 later, but दोस्तों के कार्स पे ड्रिफ्ट करा, ड्रैग रेस करे.
This side of Runal, I didn't know. I've known her 16 years now.
Yeah. I was so shant and
Bro, एकदम
simple.
that is for God.
Yeah.
That is for
But you know आते हैं phases आते हैं लोगों के लाइफ में बदलते रहते हैं.
Next time we meet on a track,
Next
okay?
time we'll go on a गेड़ी मारेंगे पहले
गेड़ी.
फिर ट्रैक पे मिलेंगे.
Sawal. But thank you so much for
Thank
helping
you.
us get
What a surprise.
Please go back to your dubbing. We're
Yes, sir.
disturbing you all
I'm
both.
going to take him also.
Oh, you're both of you are dubbing?
He's helping me dub.
Oh, wow.
He's the writer, actor,
I'm the writer, no?
co-director.
correct. वो सब भी बात किया हमने.
Writer.
But super. Thank you,
Yeah,
folks.
yeah.
This has been fun.
Okay, जी. चलो bye bye.
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Bye,
Thank you, bye. Thank you so much.
10th April.
10th
देखो
April in theaters.
Go. थिएटर में जाके
चाहिए देखिए.
Bye.
चुस्कुंडी. Correct?
चुस्कोंडी.
चुस्कुनावा. हाँ उसके बाद में चला देना.
सब दे दिया.
चुस्कुंडी चुसावा चुस्कुनावा. Correct?
All right. All good. Bye.
Bye.